Hey, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for sending all these brain twister challenges. I am absolutely loving them. Okay, so I got another one now. It's very, very simple. Looks it at least. Let's try it. Okay, so I have to place my fingers on my nostrils and do like a scissors action. Let's try it. देखिए एक बार. Okay. How do I go? Do I have to look at my nose? No. Okay. No. Scissors. ऐसे. हाँ, that's it. Done. Yeah. See? I got it. You want to try it? Chalo, try it now, guys. You know what works really well to lift your spirits at end of the day? A great dessert. हमारे तो desserts भी आपके health का ख्याल रखते हैं. Today, I'm going to make what I call is eat and mess. So, our superfood today is blueberries, and I'm going to make a brilliant recipe with it. Let's crack on. So, you want to work very, very carefully without breaking the yolk. Super gently. Only want the white. An egg this size will usually have about 15 grams of egg white in it. So, I am doing about 30 grams. Sugar. Whisk it to super soft peaks. I'll show you the peaks. And the fun part, the whole idea of using a whisk is that you want to incorporate air in this and make it stiffer, and it's gonna rise more. The volume's gonna increase. That's why we use a bigger bowl for this. Now this is gonna go on a tray. So it's gonna go in the oven. That's been preheated and switched off. Now it's gonna go in for about 6 hours. You know, there are a lot of rumors that how Eton Mess actually originated. Apparently, there's a story that there was a cricket match going on in Eton, in a village in Britain somewhere, and they were supposed to serve a dessert which had a lot of baked eggs and cream and strawberries in it because it was summer season. And somebody dropped the plate. It made a complete mess. And still got served because that was the only dessert they had for those VIPs at that time. They really liked it and they kept coming back for it. That's how the name originated. It's a mess made in Eton. That's why Eton Mess. So guys, look, this is done now. I'm going to try and lift it. Here we go. Look at that. So it's super sweet. It's really nice, very crunchy, and amazingly light. It'll go perfect with any of your desserts. So the basic components of this dish is whipped cream. You can easily add some icing sugar in this. Add a little bit of berry compote just to balance out the tartness from this. Add my superfood blueberries, which is gonna get paired with this beautiful crispy meringue. The blueberries got a really nice tart texture. And look at how pretty those red currants are. I literally cannot wait to eat one of them right now. I'm gonna resist myself. And after this, the showstopper, the best meringue, is gonna really nicely just sit right here and there. Don't worry if you make a mess. That's what it's all about. I'm gonna get my sweet tooth fix with this. You go have a look at the recap very quickly.
Take a bowl, add egg whites, sugar, and blend till it peaks. Pour the meringue into a tray and spread it across into a thin sheet. Preheat the oven at 120 degrees and switch it off and place the tray for 6 hours. Now take some whipped cream and place it on a serving dish. Top it with blueberry compote, some blueberries, and red currants. Break the meringue unevenly and place it on the sides, and your Eton Mess is ready.
And that brings us a step closer to our journey of being fit and fast. Until then, eat well, choose right, and let your brain chill.